Enhance your driving safety with the PRUVEEO 360-degree 4-channel dash cam, a powerful all-in-one solution for comprehensive vehicle surveillance. This dash camera records FHD 1080p video from 4 lenses simultaneously, covering the front, rear, left, and right sides of your car, ensuring no blind spots. The adjustable front lenses even allow you to capture the car's interior for added flexibility. With time-lapse recording and parking mode, the dash cam compresses long intervals into concise footage, saving space while keeping your car monitored 24/7. The required ACC hardwire kit includes low-voltage protection to safeguard your car's battery during parking. Equipped with a built-in GPS logger, the D90 dash cam tracks your vehicle's exact location, speed, and routes, offering critical evidence in the event of an incident. The GPS data is easily accessible through the included GPS video player, allowing you to visually track your routes and pinpoint precise locations for insurance claims or roadside assistance. Stay connected with the built-in Wi-Fi capability, enabling you to control the dash cam via a mobile app on iOS or Android devices. Instantly download and share videos from your dash cam to your smartphone or social media platforms. Experience superior night vision with the f1.8 aperture and 4 infrared lights on the cabin lens, ensuring crystal clear recording even in low light conditions. The loop recording feature ensures uninterrupted video capture by overwriting old, unlocked files, while the crash lock function automatically secures crucial footage during collisions, protecting it from deletion. Designed for easy installation and durability, this dash cam operates without a built-in battery, eliminating risks associated with overheating and battery malfunctions. With its free 128GB memory card, the PRUVEEO 4-channel dash cam offers the perfect combination of performance, reliability,